I cut it. But like I said, it's a little bit difficult. So I'm gonna just explain to you guys a little bit about the side bun, because you could do a middle bun, but the side bun might be a little bit harder for you guys to imagine. The middle part, you just, you know, back and tie it. And it's going to be the same exact thing for every single part, but I'm going to do it to the side just so that you guys can kind of get an idea of how it would look to the side. I'm going to put a mirror right here just so that I can use the mirror, but you guys could just watch me as I do it. So I take a bit of hair from the left side and I'm going to brush it over. We want the line to be straight. Also, something that they're not going to tell you, if you end up going to Marine Corps boot camp, something that you need to keep in mind is you should learn how to do a bun, but just because you're doing a bun doesn't mean you're going to have the slit. The slit is something that you earn once you've earned the title of Marine. You're going to have to do this without that. Here's the slit. I like to kind of just throw some hair back to the side to have a little bit of hair towards the back. I'll show you guys what I mean. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this comb. We're gonna do this and bring it to right behind our ear. We're gonna grab the hair. We're gonna tie this to the side just for a minute. That's the hair that's gonna be the styled hair. We're gonna go right where we did on this side and go down to the back of the ear as well. Then we're gonna separate it. See, perfect line. And then we're gonna add this. This is not what the small hair ties are for, by the way. We're gonna take a hair tie. We're gonna tie the back. Now, this part is important because this is what you're gonna be doing. So you're going to slick back all your hair. Now, mind you, you will be using a lot of gel, but I'm not gonna be using gel just because it damages my hair and I don't feel the need to use gel anymore because I'm not active duty. I'm gonna take the hard bristles. I'm going to extremely tight. And keep in mind, if you're doing a military bun, it should be low to the bottom of your neck. It shouldn't be high, it should be low. And to make the process just a little bit easier, you could go ahead and spray some water. It's easier to do a hair bun, a slick back, when your hair is a little bit wet. Then we're gonna tie this piece back here. I usually like to use more than one hair tie, but my hair is a little bit thinner now, so one hair tie seems to be enough, and I'm going to be using another hair tie anyway. I am going to be using another hair tie, but that's going to be when I tie these parts to the back. So now we're going to do this side, because I decided to do a side part. Water.